Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar, and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Tuesday, 29th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT price is 226.39 and with VAT is 237.71. For 22 carats 1 gram price without VAT is 207.83 and with VAT is 218.22. For 21 carats 1 gram price without VAT is 198.09 and with VAT is 207.99. For 18 carats gold without VAT price is 169.79 and with VAT is 178.28. For 14 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 132.44 and with VAT is 139.06. For 10 carats gold without VAT price for 1 gram is 94.40 and with VAT is 99.12. Last but not the least, for the 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 56.60 and with VAT is 59.43. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with friends so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.